ho, ho, and welcome to a very festive episode of the Caerphilly Works podcast. My name is Craig, and today I'm joined by 8 members of our team, all ready to take part in our Caerphilly Works Christmas quiz. Everyone has been set into 4 separate teams who will battle it out over 4 rounds of questions, ready to test their knowledge of the world of work and Christmas classics. The ultimate goal, to win these gingerbread people mugs packed full of Christmassy treats, which have been donated by myself. So, first of all, let's meet our fabulous teams. On Team 1, we have Mark and Farah.
Hello.
Hello.
On Team 2, we have Gaynor and Sarah.
Yeah. Hello.
On Team 3, we have June and Aaron.
Hello.
And on Team 4, we have Kath and Ian.
Hi.
So, the way it's going to work is each team member will take it in turn to answer questions. Conferring is not allowed until the final bonus round. However, I will allow one use of a lifeline where if you do struggle to answer a question, you may call on your team member to help. But this can only be used once during the entire quiz, so use it wisely. Is everybody okay with the rules?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
So, over to our first round, which I call Colleague Fortunes. Earlier in the week, I carried out a survey with 20 members of the team and asked, what are the 5 most important pieces of information you would find on a CV? There are 5 potential answers. You will get 5 points for the top answer, 4 for the second, 3 for the third, and so on. So, first up to answer, we have Mark from Team 1. Mark, can you name one of the top 5 most important pieces of information you would find on a CV?
Let me think. A name?
Your name? Yes, name is there, and it's the 4th highest answer, so that's 2 points to Team 1. Next up, we have Sarah from Team 2.
Employment history.
Employment history. Employment history is our top answer.
Woohoo.
So that's 5 points to Team 2. Next up, we have June from Team 3.
Contact details.
Contact details. Yes, that's there, and that's our 3rd highest answer. So that's 3 points to Team 3. And finally, we have Kath from Team 4.
Skills and qualities.
Skills and qualities. Sorry, skills and qualities, unfortunately, is not there. So the other answers we have were, at number 5 is personal profile, and at number 2 was education history. So let's head over to the second part now and switch over our team members. Coming back down the line, we'll start with Ian from Team 4, and this time we asked the team, what are the 5 most important things you need at an interview?
Smart dress.
Smart dress. Well done, that's our top answer, to be well presented. So that's 5 points to Team 4. Next we have Aaron from Team 3.
Correct location.
Correct location? Sorry, no correct location in the top 5 answers. So, on to Gaynor from Team 2.
Oh, I'm scared now. Punctuality, be there on time.
Be on time? Yes, that's there, and it's our 5th highest answer, which gets you 1 point. And finally, we have Farah from Team 1.
That's a tricky one. Be prepared.
Be prepared?
Sorry, Mark.
Apologise.
Sorry, no correct answer there. Be prepared was on there, but it wasn't one of our top 5 answers. So, the final 3 answers we had were confidence, good body language, and questions to ask.
Oh my God, we were rubbish at that one, weren't we? I'm just blaming the other members of the team who give stupid answers.
They might be well presented, confident in that, but they've gone to the wrong place. You know what I mean?
So at the end of that round, the scores are as follows. We have Team 1 on 2 points, Team 2 on 6 points,
Yay!
Team 3 on 3 points, and Team 4 on 5 points. So over to the next round, which I call What's Next? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the first line of a well-known Christmas song, and you need to give me the line that comes next. There are 3 points up for grabs for every correct answer, but as some of these are a little bit tricky, I'll also give you points if you're close. So they've all been randomised for fairness. So first up is Sarah from Team 2. Pick a number from 1 to 4.
Number 2.
Number 2. So your first line is, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. So what comes next?
Just like I've ever known.
So the answer is just like the ones I used to know.
Half a
Not
point.
that close.
That wasn't like-
Do you know what? You got 3.5-ish words right, so I'm going to give you 1 point for that.
Okay, thank you.
So that was from White Christmas by Bing Crosby. So let's jump over to Farah now from Team 1.
Oh, go on, number 3.
So number 3 is, last Christmas I gave you my heart.
And the very next day, you gave it away.
That's absolutely correct, but the very next day you gave it away. So that's 3 points to Team 1,
Battle Farah.
and that's Last Christmas by Wham. So next up we have Kath from Team 4.
Number 4, please.
So number 4 is, I don't want a lot for Christmas.
There is just one thing I need.
That's correct. There is just one thing I need from All I Want for
Yay.
Christmas by Mariah Carey. And that's 3 points for Team 4.
Like Tina Turner's version, eh?
So, Aaron from Team 3, you're left with number 1, which is, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go.
Everywhere You Go is correct, and that's from
Oh, well done.
Well done.
and that's from the song It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas by Meredith Wilson, and that's 3 points to Team 3.
We're doing a lot better on these than we were on the interview skills. Just saying.
So let's switch up the team members now, and we have 4 new songs to choose from. And this time we are going to start with June from Team 3.
Number 1.
So number 1 is, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
Oh, that's a hard one, June.
With the words. I knew the tune, but not the words. That was a bit rubbish, really, wasn't it? Never mind. Sorry, Aaron.
It's okay. I would have been none the wiser.
So are you passing on that one?
Yeah, pass.
So the answer is, with the kids jingle belling and everyone yelling, be of good cheer.
Oh, God.
That was a really hard one. That
That was
was
hard,
words in
June.
there.
Yeah.
To be fair, I really don't think jingle belling is actually a word either. So,
No.
It must be.
So unfortunately, that means no points to Team 3. So over to Ian now from Team 4.
We'll stick with a Team 4.
So number 4 is, Sleigh Bells Ring, Are You Listening?
Oh.
That's another difficult one, isn't it?
No, that's easy one.
Yeah.
Like one of those ones you just go.
Well, if that's the case, I should have got points last time.
Yeah.
Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening?
Ian, you better sing.
In the trees, they're listening or something like that.
So the answer is, In the Lane, Snow is Glistening.
No.
Ah,
And that's from Winter
Close.
Wonderland by Bing Crosby. You know, to be fair again, you got 3 out of 6 of the words correct, so I'm going to give you a point for that. So over to Mark now from Team 1.
2, please.
So number 2 is, are you hanging up a stocking on your wall?
These are harder than you think, aren't they?
Yeah.
You're a bird, a bird, a bird, a bird, a bird.
Meow, 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 meow.
No, I don't know it.
it's-
The answer is, it's the time that every Santa has a ball, and that's from Merry Christmas Everybody by Slade. So unfortunately, no points there. So last but not least, we have Gaina from Team 2.
Thanks.
Yours is, when the snowman brings the snow.
Oh, when the snowman brings the snow. Oh, meow, 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 meow.
In cat language, you definitely have the points there, but unfortunately, I do need it in human.
I'd rather Gator's version.
When the kids lets something go. I don't know. I want someone else's question. I don't like that one.
The answer there is, well, he just might like to know.
Gosh,
Really?
they were tough ones.
And that's from I Wish It Could Be Christmas Every Day by Wizard. So unfortunately, no points there for Team 2.
Don't like this game
Know
anymore.
the answers.
At the end of round 2, we have Team 1 on 5. Team 2 are on 7. Team 3 are on 6. And Team 4 are on 9. It's still all to play for as we go over to our next round, which is called the No Point Round.
So why are we doing it then?
Pointless.
In this round, I'm going to give you 4 job titles that I found from across the internet. And what I want to know is, what are these job titles more generally known by? As before, I asked 20 members of our team to guess the job titles. And what I want you to do is guess the one that the least amount of people got correct. So the points given in this round will be 4 points for the lowest scoring answer, down to 1 for the highest scoring answer. The first 4 we have are Civil Enforcement Officer, Colour Distribution Technician, Knowledge Navigator, and Talent Delivery Specialist. First up is Farah from Team 1.
Okay, with the Knowledge Navigator, is that a careers advisor?
So you're saying Knowledge Navigator is a careers advisor? No, the answer is actually teacher.
Yeah, I would have said teacher.
And 3 people said teacher. Over to Gaynor now from Team 2.
Well, I had an idea what a civil enforcement officer was, but then I thought if I knew it, probably lots of other people would know it. So, talent delivery specialist. What? I'll go for that one. I'll say a drama teacher.
So we're looking for drama teacher for talent delivery specialist.
Oh, no!
What?
No way.
No.
I thought the top one was the traffic warden.
I
Should
think
I
that might
go
be
for
right.
it?
Yours is closer. Gaynor.
No, actually, no, that's actually me typing things out wrong.
I was going to
I'm
say.
really sorry. It's meant to say
I was thinking a trainer or something like that.
it's not a traffic warden, it's a recruitment officer.
Ah,
Fine.
right.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's an employment agency. Yeah.
I thought it was a singer.
So talent delivery specialist is a recruitment officer, not a traffic warden. So sorry for that. That's
I've seen some different words for traffic warden.
well done me for messing that one up. Hopefully this won't happen again. 7 people actually guessed that one correctly. Let's go to Aaron now from Team 3.
Colour distribution technician. I think it's a painter.
We're looking for colour distribution technician as a painter. That's absolutely correct. Well done.
Yes.
And 5 people guessed that one correctly. And the last one is over to Ian from Team 4, and you have Civil Enforcement Officer.
Well, I think the answer's already on there, which is civil enforcement officer, a traffic warden.
And yeah, the answer is Traffic Warden, and 9 people got that one correct. We only had 2 correct answers in that round, and the point distribution is no points to Team 1, no points to Team 2. Team 3 take 3 points for the second lowest scoring answer,
Well done,
and
Aaron.
Team 4 get 1 point for the highest scoring answer. Now we have 4 fresh answers up on the board, and these are Destination Counsellor, Loss Prevention Officer, Vision Clearance Engineer, and Space Consultant. And this time we'll start with Kath from Team 4.
Okay, I'm going to say the destination counsellor would be a careers advisor.
Destination Counsellor as a careers advisor? No, it's actually a travel agent, and 5 people guessed that one
I
correctly.
thought that. Never mind.
I did too. Yeah.
I knew that one.
And over to Mark now in Team 1.
Vision clearance engineer and optician.
Vision Clearance Engineer as an optician. Not a correct answer. It was actually a window cleaner. And
Oh.
4 people guessed that one
Vision
correctly.
clearance.
Next up is Sarah from Team 2.
Only one that I would know on there would be the loss prevention officer, which I would say is like a security guard dealing with shoplifters.
So we have a loss prevention officer as a security guard. That is correct, and 6 people got that one right.
Good.
Well done, Sarah.
The last one goes to June, and we have a space consultant.
How much time have I got to think about this? Oh, okay. Estate agent.
So you're going for space consultant as an estate agent. You're absolutely correct, and only one person actually got that one right.
She googled that. You could have 5 seconds.
The points fall as follows. Team 1 with no points. Team 2 get 1 point for the highest scoring answer. Team 3 have 4 points for the lowest scoring answer. And Team 4 also have no points. So at the end of that round, the scores are Team 1 are on 5.
Oh, Mark.
Team 2 are on 8.
Yay!
Team 3 are on 13. And Team 4 are on 10. Now on to our final round. Guess the Christmas film. Here I will read you a description of a classic Christmas film taken from a list of the top 20 Christmas films of all time. And you need to tell me what film I'm describing. At the end of each of these questions, there will be a bonus question where you can confer in your teams. As with the song round, these questions are randomised and will each offer 3 points for the correct answer. The first 4 options are ready, and over to Aaron first from Team 3 to pick a number.
The magic number 3, please.
So number 3. A miserly businessman has no time for sentiment and largely views Christmas as a waste of time. However, this Christmas Eve he'll be visited by 3 spirits who will show him the error of his ways.
That is Scrooged.
Can we not have that because it's the same kind of thing, isn't it? No.
Yeah, to be fair, I'm going to give you that.
I'm a child of the 80s.
The description of both films is basically the same, so yeah, well done, 3 points. So your bonus question is, what was Ebenezer Scrooge's job in the original A Christmas Carol?
I think he was an accountant, wasn't he?
Hmm.
He had ledgers of books and he had loads of money.
Bill Murray was the TV producer in Scrooge, if we want to go down there.
If that's going to get us the points, we'll do that one. Yeah.
No,
Original film.
an accountant sounds fine.
So you're going for accountant?
Yeah.
He was actually a banker, so no points there.
Oh.
Next up, we have Kath from Team 4.
Number 4, please.
Yours is, the Griswold family's plans for a big family Christmas predictably turn into a big disaster.
I got the DVD on my staircase as we speak. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Absolutely correct. It's National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, so that's 3 points to Team 4. For your bonus question, what was Clark Griswold's job?
Oh my gosh.
I haven't seen that film in ages. What did he do?
Now I can see his boss, and he was waiting for his bonus, wasn't he? Christmas. And I thought that was like an accountant, CEO.
Was he?
Oh yeah, let's just go for it. Yeah, accountant, please.
Accountant? You know that they're not all going to be accountants, right? So he was a food additive designer.
Oh, for goodness.
Really?
So no points there. And now over to Farah on Team 1.
Go on, we'll go for number 1.
So number 1 is, an angel is sent from heaven to help a desperately frustrated businessman by showing him what life would have been like if he had never existed.
Oh, I know this one.
Don't forget, you can still call on Mark if you need to.
I don't know.
Oh, Mark.
Where have you been?
Not watching Christmas films.
And you're the other ones.
No idea? So the answer is, It's a Wonderful Life.
Yeah.
Never seen it.
The black and white one.
So no points there.
I was
switched
thinking
that to
elf,
Saturday
but he's not an
mornings.
angel.
So for your bonus points, what was George Bailey's job?
Wasn't he a
Or a
clerk or
salesman.
something in a bank?
Yeah, so he was a banker, so well done. 3 points there to Team 1. And the last one is for Sarah, and this is number 2. A man tries to save his wife and several others taken hostage by German terrorists during a Christmas party at the Nakatomi Plaza in Los Angeles.
Do you know it, Sarah?
I have no idea.
We're helpline, haven't you? Throw me a help, you.
Yeah, can I get the help?
Yeah, you still got your helpline.
Die Hard.
Yes, it is Die Hard, and yes, it is a Christmas film, as it is on the top 20 Christmas films of all time. So that's 3 points to Team 2.
And I don't know what his job was.
Well, that's what the next question is.
Accountant.
No. For your bonus points, what was John McClane's job?
Was he a policeman?
He was an NYPD officer,
Right.
so another 3 points to Team
Well
2.
done, Sarah.
I don't think policeman was close enough, Sarah. Sorry. You should
Oh.
have known he was definitely in the NYPD.
So let's switch the team members and get 4 more films ready. And this time we'll start with Gaynor from Team 2.
Number 4.
So number 4 is, raised as an oversized elf, a human travels from the North Pole to New York City to meet his biological father, who doesn't know he exists and is in desperate need of some Christmas spirit.
Elf.
Yeah, it is Elf.
Hey.
So that's 3 points to Team 2.
That was the easiest one there, to be fair.
And for your bonus question, what was the job of Buddy's father, Walter?
Ooh.
I know.
Yeah, I'll ask. Oh, we can confer anyway, can't we?
Yeah.
Go for it,
I think his dad was a publisher.
Yeah, he was actually a children's book publisher, so 3 points again to Team 2.
Yes. Whoa, we coming up on the inside there, Sarah.
Next up is June from Team 3.
1.
So number 1 is, an 8-year-old troublemaker must protect his house from a pair of burglars when he is accidentally left home alone by his family during Christmas vacation.
Home Alone.
Yeah, it is Home Alone.
That's not fair. The answer was in the question.
And it wasn't the last one too.
So for your bonus question, what was Kevin McAllister's father's job?
Oh,
Aaron, you need to answer this one. I don't know this one.
It was head of a house, so it was a good job, wasn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember it ever saying what his job was.
No, I can't even remember who the father was.
I'm sure I saw him with like a briefcase and well dressed and stuff. Would he be a
Accountant?
solicitor or lawyer? Solicitor/lawyer, depending what side of the
Yeah.
pond you're from.
I don't know.
Nobody actually knows. It's actually never said.
Oh,
I said that. He doesn't tell you.
He wouldn't be a
That was a bad
childminder, would he? Well, not a good one anyway.
So no points there, unfortunately. Now over to Ian on Team 4.
3.
So number 3 is, after a divorced New York mother hires a nice old man to play Santa Claus at Macy's, she is startled by his claim to be the genuine article.
Is that one, what's his name? The one with the famous brother who to do the nature programs.
Right.
Attenborough.
I'm thinking of, and that was the only one I could think of, and I guess it must be that one. Is it Miracle on 34th Street?
It is Miracle on 34th Street. And that's 3
Oh, yeah.
points to Team 4. And for your bonus question, what was Doris Walker's job?
Father Christmas
Oh.
hirer.
He's the owner of a toy store or something, isn't it?
I know,
Mostly
I've seen, I've never watched her.
Yeah. Toy store manager or something like that.
She was the events director at Macy's.
Oh.
So unfortunately, no points to you.
Close enough.
No, it's not close enough, actually.
not at all.
Thanks.
And finally, we have Mark. When a man inadvertently makes Santa fall off his roof on Christmas Eve, he finds himself magically recruited to take his place.
Not got a Scooby-Doo. Go on, Farah.
Is it Santa Claus, the movie?
Oh, it's
No.
tense, this is.
So it's the Santa Claus.
Oh,
I think
Oh,
it's
no.
important, though.
Santa Claus the movie is actually a different film, so I can't accept that, so there's no points there, unfortunately. For your bonus question, though, what was Scott Calvin's job?
what do you
Really,
think, Mark?
I can't even visualize him. I don't think I've seen it. What are we going to say? Chimney Sweep part-time banker?
Should we go for banker since it's a running theme?
Yes.
Go on, banker then.
He was the advertising executive for a toy company,
Oh.
so no points there again, sorry.
Right.
So the final scores we have are, in 4th place with 8 points is Team 1.
Yay!
In 3rd place with 16 points was Team 4. And in 2nd place with 19 points was Team 3, which means Team 2 are our winners with 20 points.
Yay! We got the gingerbread man.
Oh, well done.
It's not the winning that counts, Gaynor, it's the taking part.
No, it's not, Jim.
Yeah.
Gaynor and Sarah, you are the winners of our gingerbread person mugs.
Robbed.
I'm going to have to buy my own 50p Freddo now.
But as a big thank you to all the other teams, I've each got you a Bar of Galaxy as a runner-up prize.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
Oh, can we give a speech or something to say how
Yeah, I guess if you want.
I'd like to thank your family and your director.
thank my mother and I'd like to thank my mother and father for making me so intelligent, and I'd like to thank Sarah's mother and father for making her so clever and knowledgeable about Die Hard.
And thank the goldfish as well, or any pets.
Well, thank my dog for sitting by the side of me all throughout this and looking at the answers on the laptop. So thank you, Dorothy. You got anything to say, Sarah? Sorry, I'm hogging the limelight here. It's not all about me, sorry.
As I am to public speaking. No, nothing to say. Thank you.
Thank you for everyone for being involved today. As always, if you or someone you know would like support in finding work, our amazing team is on hand to offer you all the support you need. Just pick up the phone and call us on 01443 864 227 or email us at communityregen@caerphilly.gov.uk or find us on social media at Caerphilly Regen. If you're listening to the audio version of this, why not pop over to YouTube for our special video version of this podcast? And if you're over on YouTube, don't forget you can listen to this podcast on a variety of podcasting platforms including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts and Amazon Music. So we'll be back early next year with some more work-related topics aimed at helping you find your perfect job in 2022. From me and all the team here at Caerphilly Works, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!
The Caerphilly Works podcast is a collaboration between Communities for Work, Communities for Work Plus, Bridges into Work 2, Inspire to Work, Working Skills for Adults and NET. The Communities for Work Employment Support Team is funded by the Welsh Government and the European Social Fund, working in partnership with Communities and Job Centre Plus.